Do you still remember your first bite of Chicken Mc... Was it crispy? Juicy? Hot from the box? Me. I remember the first time my dad brought home McDo chicken. I was 7. It wasn't just food. It was a celebration. A moment. Every time something good happened, he'd say, Chicken McDo, ha, wag, Eba. And it became our thing. Birthday McDo. Report card day. Even Pagumulin, he'd show up with a McDo paper bag. And that smell, instant comfort. But when I open that box, see the crispy skin, taste that same flavor. So yeah, nothing hits quite like Chicken Mc... Nothing feels quite like Mc...